Just like you can add custom properties to chats, you can do the same for tickets in Periskope. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up. Go to Settings from the left sidebar and click on Custom Properties under the Organization section. This time, click on the Ticket tab. To add a new section, click New Section in the top right. Once the section is created, click on it and then click Add New Property. Give it a name, select the type, text, date, file upload, multi-select, drop-down, or dependent drop-down. If it's a drop-down, add your values, for example, high, medium, or low. Once done, click Create Property. Your property is now available across all tickets in your workspace. To see it in action, open any ticket. You'll see all your custom properties listed there ready for your team to fill in. For example, you can mark the urgency as high, add a date, or add comments, all directly inside the ticket. Custom properties for tickets help your team track the right details and stay on top of every issue. Try it out, the link is in the description.